Car's about up to temp. We don't need it all the way or else it's gonna be too hot. So I'm just gonna hop under the car, get this thing started to drain, because this thing needs it. Last time was in February. I kind of drive a lot, but it's like city driving, so we'll see how it looks now. I've never had it look hella bad. Ooh. Always make sure that these are set. Ooh. We will need this piece. Boom. Take a while, but fuck, we got it. I'm buying a new drain bolt just because. Have a fresh one on there for the next oil change. It's not that bad. They're pretty brown. Not too bad. Let's take it off. Successful oil change, no leaks on top or on bottom. Now, I'm gonna wipe it off because I'm going to try this out. I got it from Walmart, so I'm gonna test it out on the grills and like, I think on the bumper before I do the entire car. See how it reacts, see if it's even worth doing the entire car. And if it is, I'll go ahead and just get this baby shining. I know Mother's is a good brand. I just never used it. I'm smoking on a blunt just to get me through the daily. Popping all these pills, hoping someone gonna save me. Diamonds on my neck, that's why y'all be acting shady. Welcome to my city with a flawed vision. Everybody talking, ain't nobody wanna listen. I ain't asking you to be submissive, nah. Anytime we speaking, we ain't talking, you just bitching. I just wanna be the one. Hit you on the phone late night when the sun goes down. I just wanna be the one. Tell me, is you fucking with my vibe? Is you feeling the sound? Baby, you looking so right. I'm tryna be with you tonight. Got me mixing the juice with the Sprite. Saying, baby, I'm feeling alright. You know what I like, you know where I be. Got me sipping up Patron with a Hennessy. Got my foot up on the pedal just to feel the breeze. I ain't feeling like myself lately, nah. I ain't feel like myself lately. Got me kind of made it shinier, more of the carbon in the paint, but we'll see how it acts when it's fully dried against the water. Probably in a different video though. So I'm gonna head out. Hope you guys enjoyed. Simple maintenance day, tested for ceramic coating, nothing big. Better be your favorite E60.